Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at this Friday's idiom. So, flat like a pancake. Flat like a pancake. There we are. Something is very thin. Very thin. A book has been flattened like a pancake. Oh, the book was flat like a pancake. Thin. Why is it flat like a pancake? Yeah. The cement is flat like a pancake. Yes. The laptop is so thin it is flat like a pancake. The laptop. So thin. You will be crushed and flat like a pancake. We need to squeeze the dough. Squeeze the dough so it is flat like a pancake. Flat like a pancake, the dough. Yes, for the bread. The ground is flat. Just flat. Not bumpy, no hills, no mountains. Flat. Like a pancake. Yeah. Flat. These coasters are flat like a pancake. Flat. No bumpy, no hills, no mountains. Just straight. Like a pancake. Yeah. Nice. So flat like a pancake. Something is very thin. Be careful on the construction site. You might get flattened like a pancake. Yeah, danger. Danger. You might get flattened like a pancake. Yeah, danger. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, nice. So, can you then, language explorers, use the idiom flat like a pancake in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.